Hello, and welcome to Bolts Card Services, BCS. We're credit card processing brokers with plans starting as low as 1.79% for total processing costs. Restrictions do apply. The total bottom line, that means after everything is said and done, on the bottom line of your statement, you're getting 1.79% of cost for accepting a credit card. We have many plans available with a company called SwiftPay. That is the home of the patented cash discount program, which means if you follow their program, at the end of the month you don't pay a dime to the processor for doing your cards. Now that has restrictions also. Last but not least is First Financial USA. They do business the old-fashioned way: paper, pen, signatures. This way, there's no reason to believe that your paper might have been changed by somebody hacking into the system. Who are we? Bolts Card Services. We started business in 2007. And from 2007 until the pandemic, we were doing business the old-fashioned way. We'd get out there, road warriors, and visit businesses on site and talk to them, take as long as they needed to talk to them on site. When they were absolutely positive they were getting the right thing, they would sign up. If they needed me to come back, I came back. Now, things have changed. COVID, lockdowns, colds and flu. Since 2020, it has been a nightmare out there. So, with that being said, my partners and I decided that we need to do a website, because we can't walk into businesses. So many businesses that would have a locked door and there would be someone standing there with a key to open the door to let you in. That's no way to do business. So we're doing a website, and this is the first one that we've done since 2007. So with that being said, let me bow out now, just letting you know this is who we are and this is where we came from. And I want you to say thank you very much, and I want you to have a great day. Oops, there's the little thing going off again. And with that, I will say goodbye, and I'll talk to you on the next video.